Nick Arora. Thanks for joining me. So today is I'm gonna show you how to set up a free e-commerce Shopify store and without spending anything upfront. So all you have to do is you have to sign up with a special link which will give you a 21 days free trial on Shopify. So the link is www.ecomtornado ecomtornado.com/Shopify21. So this will give you a 21 days trial. It will show you 14 days, but once you sign up and go inside, then it will transform to a 21-day trial. Apart from this, you will get 10% discount on your every month billing cycle that will be valid after 21 days. So for 21 days straight away, you will get the e-commerce platform free of cost. You don't have to pay anything, even not for the hosting. Everything would be free. So that's amazing. All you need is an email ID. So we are going to use this email ID and click on getting started. Then I have to put the store name. So let's say the store name as shop 99, shop 999. Let's see if that's not shop for 88. So it's available. Create your store. So right now what it is doing, it is setting up your store at the back end. Everything is being set up. You don't have to pay for any hosting plans. You don't have to pay for anything like your developer or to set up a professional looking store. So this will give you each and everything which you require for running a profitable 6 to 7 figure store, and everything at the back end will be taken care by Shopify itself. Just say I'm just playing around on a thing, anything just random. They're just seeking some clarity. I'm gonna add this one, change my, okay, cool. Just click on enter my store. And you are inside your e-commerce store. So as you can see, there are a few options on the left which will give you facility to customize your online store. So I'm gonna cover up one by one. So first go to the setting part, and under that setting part just go to journal. Under journal you can set up your store name. So I'm gonna write shop 88. You can set up your email address and the customer email address. So whatever so suppose you are getting orders and your customers are replying back to your emails, so you can set up a customer email ID. I would say suggest have a good professional looking customer ID. Your legal business name, if you have registered your business in your country, set up as per your own country. So right now it is as per India, so I'm just selecting India. Here you have to select your time zone. So if you are in the US time zone, select PST. Under the unit metric system, I'm going to select imperial, and I will select the default rate as pound. The currency would be United States, and I will click on the save option. Once you are through with the general settings, go to settings again and click on the payment option. So collecting payments on Shopify itself is very easy. If you have a PayPal account, they will give you a one-way like inbuilt system. Just select whatever is available in your country. So I know for US guys they have PayPal Payment Pro. For us we have Payment Express checkout. Just click on this option and they will redirect you to the activate option, and once you click on that, they will open up a new window. So there, I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna save this one. So you can just go ahead and select whatever you have. Apart from this, you can use other providers. So US has providers like Authorize.net, Stripe, Shopify payments, etc. So you can choose those options as well. I'm gonna go back to the setting option and see what other things are there. So the checkout option, you can customize a lot of stuff at the checkout option. So what you want from the customer end, you want them to create your account, or you want no accounts to be created for every guy who is coming inside your shop on your Shopify e-commerce store. So I'm gonna say it optional. You gonna require the first name and the last name both. Company name is hidden. Address is this. Phone number, I want my phone number for every client. Then you're gonna check this option for use the shipping address as the billing address, or rather you can just uncheck this one. So I'm gonna keep it on. That's it, guys. Nothing fancy in here. You don't have to do anything else. Just click on the save option. Once you do that, just go back to the setting. We're gonna configure this real quick for you guys. So shipping option. So shipping is basically so suppose you are selling a necklace, or maybe a phone case, or maybe you have some kind of a custom jewelry. So if you want to sell those and you want to charge some shipping, so shipping in Shopify can be charged on the overall orders. So it can either be charged based on the cart value of a customer, or it can be charged on the product weight of whatever product your customer is basically trying to buy. So for this example, I'm gonna select the shipping as per the price of the total cart. So as you see that on Amazon, if you buy for $50 or $75, the shipping is normally free. Apart from that, if you are not a Prime customer and you are buying something which is less than $75 or $50, they will charge you a typical fees of $4.99 or $5.99. So we're gonna do the same thing. For now, I'm gonna cancel this. Select my country. So if your country is United States, just select that. Under that, price based rates, click on the option and click on standard shipping. 0 to $75, I'm gonna charge $4.99. So by this I mean, if a customer is buying any product and the total of the order is around 0 to $75, the customer has to pay a $4.99 shipping fees. And I'm gonna add one more rate, that is free shipping. So if he is going beyond 76 and no limit, it's gonna be free shipping. So now if anything between the range of 0 to 75, a customer has to pay 4.99. If it is above 76 and up, then it's gonna be free, no shipping charge. You can also customize the shipping price as per the weight of an individual product, but for this example, we are not taking this. We are taking shipping on the price of the total cart value. Once you do this, just click on the save option, go back to shipping, and see what other things we have to edit. Okay, go to setting. We have notification, just leave that right now. Files, we don't have to do anything. Account, just go to accounts. I'm going to show you what are the things there back in there. So on the account part, you can add your staff members. So if you have some staff members whose duty is to add more and more products, so you can add a staff member. Maybe let's take an example. If you can add one, just write the name, maybe John, his email ID john21@gmail.com, and you want to restrict this guy to only products, or maybe you want him to look at the orders as well, and all these kind of stuff. You can restrict a user, and on the basis of that you can just send an email and click on send invite, and he will get an email to create an account on your store, and then he can use those credentials to log in inside this online store, which is a Shopify store, and he can do product editing or whatsoever permission you are giving him. So that's it, guys. This is for the settings part. Apart from this, you have options to upload products real easy. It's really simple that you just go ahead and click on add product, and after clicking on this option, what you can do is you can add your product listing. Suppose you are selling a dog shirt, so we're gonna really find some dog shirt. So it's just I'm just giving you an example. Suppose you are selling this dog shirt. Do, 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 do. Good. Okay, saved. Okay, I'm gonna add the image. Cool. If you love dogs, then this shirt is for you. Hurry now. You can set up your price, $19.99. Compared price, $29.99. You want to charge taxes, so that is totally dependent upon on which state you live in or which country you are a part of. So check as per that. This product requires shipping, so on the basis of the so if you uncheck this option, it won't ask for any shipping. It won't charge you for any shipping, but if you click on this option, now the shipping will be charged. So if you are charging shipping on the basis of the weight, so you have to add the weight of the product, but we are charging as per the price of the total cart value, so we don't have to do that. Once you do this, you can select the what kind of product it is. So for this, it is a shirt. You can add a vendor, you can add to a collection, you can add tags. So I'm going to add tags. So tags will help you to sort out your products. Click on save, and you can view your listing. So here you are. I cannot see this picture. Okay, click on save again. Okay, now it loads up. So as you can see, I have done this listing within like couple of minutes, and it's all set up. My store is ready to take the orders for this. All I did was just did some few settings at the back, added my PayPal account, and that's it, guys. So simple. You can create collections by clicking on this collection option and create a collection for dog shirts. So I will write dog shirts collection, and I can put a condition what kind of products will be added to this dog collection. So any product title which contains the name dog will come under this collection. So as you can see, we have added only one product and it is being shown here, and you can view a collection itself. So if you click on this collection, you will have all the collection of the shirts. So if you have 5 products in the dog collection, that will be shown here. And under this, you can have a gift cards option. You can see your customers once you start getting those sales, and you can create discount coupons. So if you are running a promotional discount, you just click on the create discount option, and then you can create a discount coupon like special 10, and you want to give a discount coupon of $10. 10%. You can even give it for fixed amount of $10, but I would go with a 10% discount. And you can select for the entire order, only for the selected collection. You can pick up the eligibility. You can limit your customers is only applicable to one customer, or you can set up the time frame and click on the save option. So as you can see, it's so simple, and the best part about using Shopify for your e-commerce store is They handle each and everything at the back end, so you don't have to worry about your site going down. You are not able to take orders because some functionalities your hosting provider is creating some kind of problem. Your hosting is down. It cannot take more than 100 visitors at a time, and this will basically like hinder your business. But if you use a Shopify store, this will give you an edge, and you can go ahead and use this Shopify store for whatever number of guys you want to use. And at the same time, if you want to have more control over the look and feel of this whole store, e-commerce store, Shopify has a lot of good looking mobile friendly themes which are already customized, and you still have the option to customize your theme. So suppose you want to change the logo, you want to change the collection, you want to change the font, the colors, you can go ahead and do that. Just click on this header option. You can upload your own logo, you can change the size of it, and apart from that you can change the collection. So you have option of putting uh, whatever collection you want to put in on the home page. And apart from that you have some more tweaks like changing the colors, etc. So we just came back from that option. So this is completely all in one uh, solution for your e-commerce store. I don't know, is there anything else? I am sure that there's nothing else like this. The Shopify as a company is doing an amazing job with creating these stores like for every individual. If you are uh, a 16-year guy or maybe a 55 or 55-year-old lady, you are ready to open your e-commerce stores within like minutes. So guys, standard on a standard package it gives you a 14 days trial, but we have a special link. So just go to tornado.com backslash Shopify 21 and you will get a special 21 days extended free trial for this e-commerce store. So you don't have to pay anything for the 21 days, and you can run your store. And once you start getting those sales in those 21 days, you can pick up a plan, and the plan starts with $29, and it's so simple. You don't have to pay anything for the shipping, hosting. So it's gonna be really amazing. Apart from that, you will get 10% discount on whatever plan you will choose. So it's a no-brainer that you don't use this link. So thank you guys for watching me. This was a small tutorial on how you can open a free e-commerce store online. Thank you guys for joining me once again. This is Nick Arora signing off.